Hey guys, it's me, Lisa, and today I am going to do a Walmart beauty haul. It's going to be a mixture of some things that I got for myself when we moved in here. Lots of hair products, you know, I've been so into hair products. And then also some gift ideas and some new things I wanted to show you, and this is in collaboration with Walmart. And I thought the first thing I would do is, it's the afternoon now, it is 3:15. I just brushed out my hair and touched up my makeup a little bit, and I think I would have to say this is my favorite drugstore lip liner. I just unwrapped it. It's Matt's It. No, Mastermind. Matt's It's another good one, but Matt's It is more of like a flat brown. This one is kind of like a pinky nude color. And I got this little gift set. When I saw it, did I order? I think everything I'm going to show you I ordered online. And this is one of them. Let me put them back how they're supposed to be here. But you guys know how much I love these Maybelline, the Gift of Gloss, Mistletoe Ready Lip Gloss. But anyway, it's the Maybelline, the Lifter Glosses. These are the best, probably the best inexpensive drugstore, Walmart lip glosses I have ever tried. This set is really good, and it's got my favorite one in it, which is, wait a minute, I think I left my favorite one in my purse, because my favorite one is Moon. So this set comes with Moon, and then it comes with Stone and Crystal. And then this is one I got at the store, the actual Walmart, and it's called Ice. I think this is just a regular, just one of the ones that came out in the beginning. So let me go down and look in my purse, because I was wearing this today and it goes so well with this outfit, so I'll be right back. So here it is. It was in my purse from earlier today, and this combo is so pretty. It feels good. It smells good. It looks good. I love it. So I think this would be a great little stocking stuffer or gift idea, or if you want to be like me and just get it for yourself. I just thought it was so cute and I wanted to show it to you. So these are the three that come in here, this little set, and then I got this one. Then I got these little drawer dividers. I thought I would show you, this is how they come, and then when you put them together, they're Velcro, they end up being, here's another lip liner, they end up being like this. And I'm not sure if I am going to put clothes in here, or if I'm going to put hair and accessories, or what I'm going to do with these. But I thought, if nothing else, they would be good to put on the shelf or in a drawer. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with them, but I saw them and I liked them, so I grabbed those. And then another thing I got that I'm not going to be able to show you right here in this video, but I will put a picture right here. I'll put a couple of pictures. I'll put the picture from the website, and then I'll put a picture of, I took one this morning of John eating his cereal. We got, just on a whim, when we moved in here, I thought, we need a coffee table. I didn't have one at our other house, but in this house I really felt like we needed a coffee table. And I went on the Walmart website, and they have the Better Homes and Gardens brand, and I ordered a coffee table that is on sale that is so nice, and I think you would love it. It's so cool. It's the modern farmhouse style. It's the light, almost white, off-white wood. And it has a shelf, and then the top is wood, and then it has that thing where it comes, the top of it comes up and over so you can eat on it. It is really cool. So I wanted to tell you about that too, because we have enjoyed that so much already. Okay, and then this is the other lip liner that I ordered. It is the Nyx Nude Truffle. And I tried this first this morning, and then I realized I thought this would look better with this combo. But this is, I see so many people using this. And I bought one, and Brooke took it. So here, let me swatch it compared to this one. This one is the creamy kind of lip liner. So you can see that they're both nude, but one's pinky and one's more brown. Okay, then, oh my gosh, you guys, I got so much to show you here. Let me get everything over here. I ordered another thing. I had this a long time ago, and then when I was wearing my hair curly and just letting it air dry, I ordered the Wow for curly hair. Well, this time I ordered the Wow Dream Coat Supernatural Spray. Magically transforms texture, amazing humidity proofing powers. I used almost a whole bottle of this, and then I ended up cleaning out and giving it away when I went back to wearing my hair curly. Well, I missed it. This was kind of a sickening thing. I just purchased this hair dryer. It's one that Morgan uses, and so many people brag on this hair dryer. I paid full price for it, and when I was looking on the Walmart website and looking at all their hair products, this is on there, so much cheaper. I think you would save at least $50, if not more, on this. I love it. This has the cool shot of all cool shots, because when you push it, it stays cool. You don't have to hold it down. And I just have been really enjoying it. It is definitely hotter than the Dyson. I actually ordered my Dyson from Walmart too. But it does get your hair dry a little bit faster. And you guys know I just love hair dryers. I'm here ready to show you another one. But anyway, so if you are in the market for this high dollar, high quality hair dryer, they do have it much less expensive on the Walmart website. Okay, then this, I was actually in Walmart and I saw these, and Brooke ended up opening this, and she has used it and she said that she loves it. It is the Flower. It's the Drew Barrymore line. She has come out with some new products, and I just couldn't resist this little hair dryer. And this one is pretty inexpensive. I mean, it's, I can't remember exactly how much it is. Of course, I will link everything down below, but Brooke has enjoyed it. She's been using it, I would say, since we moved in here. I think I bought this right when we moved in here, so for about a week and a half. And I asked her this morning before I got it and brought it up here if she liked it, and she said yes, that she really likes it. So, and it's just cute. This is something that I bought, and tonight is my night to wash my hair. So I don't know what I'm going to use tonight. I've got a couple of different options, but I ended up ordering this, and I'm going to try to be really careful, and I'm going to make sure Brooke's really careful. But do you guys remember these curling irons when we used to wear our hair? I can remember doing that whole feather thing, and then you would get it to feather just right, and then you would take the hairspray and spray that whole feather, and you could almost pick the whole thing up. Well, that's what it reminds me of. It's the Ionic Volumizing Hair Styler, Limitless Body, Waves, and Curls. And I actually saw this when I was in the store, and I got the hair dryer, but I thought, no, I don't need that. I didn't get it, and then it was on my mind, and then when I looked at it online, where are my scissors? Here they are. It got great reviews. Everybody really likes it. So I thought, a lot of times Brooke just straightens or curls her front pieces back, so I thought maybe she would enjoy this too. So let's take it out and look at it. Okay, so it's definitely, when Brooke first saw it, she asked me, was it like the Revlon? It's not a hair dryer. It is, okay, so it does have a low and a high, and it is, I'll show you how we used to do it. Oh man, this thing really grabs. Plus my hair has, I don't think it has any hair. Yeah, it does have hairspray. It has like the heat protectant spray I used when I curled it, and then this morning I put dry shampoo in it. So, but remember we used to go like this and curl it and then just wing it back? Well, that's how this is going to do. And I thought for those days that I want to just do the very ends of my hair, maybe it would be good for that. So I will give this a try and let you know. But like I said, it got great reviews. Okay, then I wanted to show you these. These are the curlers that I actually used last time I did my hair. So let's see, I think I styled it like 2 nights ago, and I used these, and I ordered these from Walmart a while ago, if probably longer than a year ago, maybe even 2 years ago, and I will look to see if they're still available because they are fabulous hair rollers. And I used all of them but one. For some reason, I saw these and I thought I would give these a try. So you guys will have to let me know if you've ever tried these. I think what attracted me to these is the way it is set up, and the clips get warm too. They're ceramic with real crushed pearls, dual heated rollers and clips for long lasting curls in 5 minutes, 90-second heat up, space saving full set. And I know what inspired this, because when I watched, what was the show? That show, the movie I just told you about, I've watched it like 3 times now, if not more. And I've even watched behind the scenes. Oh goodness, I'll remember it in a little bit, and I'll put the name down here. But you could tell she had done hot rollers. Matter of fact, there's a scene in there where she still got the hot rollers in, and it made me want to use my hot rollers. So I'm going to try these, and it says that you can create volume and loose curls, create broken waves, but we shall see, and I'll tell you which ones are better. These have more, and I liked that the clips were heated too. America's #1 setter brand, Remington Pro. I think they'll be good. So I'm going to give these a try. I don't know if it'll be tonight. Just depends on how much time I have. And then one more thing in my box over here. I love seeing this. Do you guys remember how much we used to love looking at these toy catalogs and Christmas catalogs? I meant to take this to my niece. I used to look at these things until I had them memorized, and we would circle what we wanted, and Santa Claus every year would bring me a new baby. And so that was the big thing, is I would find the baby that I wanted that Christmas. And then the last thing I got is a candle. It says find your happy place, and it's home for the holidays. Scented candle. I just wanted a good Christmas candle. I was not planning on doing a Christmas tree this year since we just moved and everything, but the kids want a Christmas tree, so we'll see how it goes. I might just do a really small one like I did last year. But oh, it smells so good. It has that cinnamon, Christmassy type smell. I like this, and I like the pine, balsam Christmas smells. So I did pretty good. I loved everything I got, and they are having lots of, they're doing Black Friday starting now, and they're changing their sales each week. And just like the coffee table that I was telling you about, it was on sale, and a lot of this stuff was on sale, and lots of cool gift purchases and stuff like that. And for the details on this really cool outfit that I'm wearing, you will have to stay tuned until my next Walmart fashion video. I have some really pretty things that you're going to love, and it's going to be great for this year, kind of staying in and staying cozy, but still wanting to be glammed up. I think you'll like it. So I will see you in the next video for that, and then I'll probably see you tomorrow for my Friday haul. See you then. Bye-bye.